Hari Om, dear children. In our previous session, we have gone through external and internal organs and some brief explanation about the internal organs like brain, heart, lungs, stomach, bones and muscles, and how bones and muscles work together to perform our daily works, and the correct posture to sit, stand and walk, and what makes us to look smart. And in this present session we are going through the lesson. I want all of you to take page number 162 in your Perel Sem 1 textbook and go along and read the lesson along with me. Can you all go through the lesson along with me and read? Our body works like a MACHINE machine. It has many parts that do DIFFERENT different things. THINGS things. We can see some of our body parts. Our body, such as HEAD head, eyes, TONGUE tongue, HANDS hands and LEGS legs. There are many parts or organs that are inside our body. We cannot see them. The brain, BRAIN, brain. The heart, HEART, lungs. The stomach, STOMACH, stomach. MUSCLES, muscles. BONES, bones. BRAIN, brain. The brain helps us to think. BRAIN, brain. THINK, think. The brain helps us to do our work. The head protects the brain. PROTECTS, protects. Heart, HEART, heart. The heart is one of the most important organs. Important. Divide the spelling and read. IM, POR, POR, tent, TANT. Organ, RGANS, organs. Or, gans, GANS, gans. Of our body, it pumps, 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 BLOOD, blood, to all parts of the body. The heart, BEATS, beats. The heart beats with a SOUND sound like this. Lub dub, LUB, lub, DUB, dub. Lub dub, lub dub. A doctor uses a STETHOSCOPE, stethoscope. Repeat, STETHOSCOPE, stethoscope, to LIST and listen to our heartbeat. LUNGS, lungs. VBREATHE, breathe. THROUGH, through our lungs. We breathe through our lungs. They fill up with air. When we breathe in, the lungs and the heart through our lungs. They fill up with air when we breathe in. The lungs and the heart lie in the chest. Stomach, STOMACH, stomach. The stomach lies, LIS, lies below, BELOW, below the CHEST, chest. It looks like a bag. The food we eat goes into the stomach, STOMACH. The stomach helps us to digest, D-I-G-E-S-T, digest, that food. B-O-N-E-S, bones, and M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles, bones and muscles. F-E-E-L, feel, Y-O-U-R, your R-I-G-H-T, right, A-R-M, arm, with your left hand. Do you feel? S-O-M-E, some, T-H-I-N-G, thing, something, H-A-R-D, hard. Do you feel something hard? This hard thing is a bone. Do you feel something? S-O-F-T, soft. The soft P-A-R-T part is a muscle. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. We have 206 bones and more than 600 muscles. Bones and muscles together, TO2, GET, HER together give SHAP, shape, and SUPPORT, support to the body. Skin covers the bones and the muscles in our body. SKIN is skin. COVERS, covers. Muscles and bones work together. The muscles are fixed, FIXED, fixed to the bones. Muscles make the bones move. Bones and muscles help a cyclist to pedal a cycle. Muscles and bones help you to lift your school bag, throw a ball, swim, run, hop, SKIP, skip, and JUMP, jump. PEDL, pedal your BICYCLE, bicycle. We can do all these things only if we have STRONG, strong, BONES, bones and muscles. Eating, HEALTHY, healthy, food, and EXER, CISING, sizing, exercising, REGULARLY, regularly, will make our bones and muscles strong. Posture, POSTURE, posture. A posture is a position, POSITION, position in which we sit, stand and walk. STAND, stand, WALK, walk. We must sit and stand straight, STRAIGHT. We must walk upright, UP, up, RIGHT, right. A correct posture makes us look smart, SMART, smart. You can see in the picture how the boy is sitting in a correct posture. Now, going through quick recap. What we learn now, going to the quick recap. What we have learned in this lesson. The brain, 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 HEART, heart, LUNGS, lungs, AND, and STOMACH, stomach, RIN, in SIDE, side, OUR, our, BODY, body. The brain, heart, lungs and stomach are inside our body. Our body is made up of BONES, bones, and MUSCLES, muscles. Bones are HARD, heart, and muscles are SOFT, soft. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones are hard and muscles are soft. Muscles help our bones to move. BONES, bones, and MUSCLES, muscles, become BECOME, become strong, STRONG, strong. When we eat, HEALTHY, healthy, FOOD, food, and exercise every day. EXERCISE, exercise, EVERY, every, DAY, day. We must have a correct posture. Now, this is your first lesson in EVS. Please go through the lesson and read once. And before ending the session, let me ask you some questions. Who will tell your nose to breathe air while you are sleeping? Who will tell you to catch a ball which is coming towards you? Yes, it is our brain which give commands. Do you think our brain, heart, lungs and stomach will sleep along with us? No, they will be continuously working to perform their duties. So, do you agree our body works like a machine? In order to make it work properly, you have to take care of your body. Eat healthy food and do exercises and yoga regularly. Please go through the lesson and read it carefully. Hari Om. Thank you.